When my husband built his first house, his stepmother gave him this vase that his father's mother made. So it has been with us many years. That house was well over 30 years ago, and it's been sitting in this spot since we moved into this home. We had a little tragedy with it recently, and it had another platform that sat on this part, and then this sat on the little tray shelf. It shattered. Couldn't glue it back together. This actually has been glued back together, I want to say a couple of times maybe. And I've had the two sitting apart from each other, and I would like to put them back together because it looks much nicer that way than it sitting on the ground and the other part stuck in my closet, what have you. Well, the problem is this just really is, I don't know if you can tell, you can hear it, it's really wobbly. So I'm very nervous about just leaving it there. So what I've decided I'm going to try to do, this is totally a, what do you want to say? Totally a trial and error situation. I have this alien tape that I bought years ago, and I'm going to put it underneath of the vase and see if that will help secure it and give it a little bit more stability. Now, it's not like we're running around it or anything a whole lot, and it isn't a three-corner area here, but my problem is it's up against my dresser over here, and that's my husband's valet box, and he does a lot of stuff up there, and if he were to accidentally knock that over, and it would move. And then even though once again it's in that little corner, we do have that little grandson and granddaughter shortly that's running around in the house, and if they bumped into it, might fall and break, but it's not like it's broken already. But I'm just hoping that maybe it'll stay a little bit more with the alien tape on it. So that's going to be my trial and error. We're going to see if it'll work by putting that underneath this little disc, which is actually an open situation. Ugh. So you can see it's going to have to be put around here, but maybe I can crisscross it even, and hopefully that will hold the vase on a little bit more, and we shall see. I'll get back to it as soon as I get it taped on there. I went ahead and I'm trying here. It's very sticky. I had to take off the original liner to it to actually put it on there, because otherwise I wasn't being able to peel it off. So it stuck to me a lot. But I went ahead and left these little extras hanging over, because I thought, well, that could stick to the bottom of that bowl maybe and give it a little bit more security of the flatness. And now I will lift it on top and see what we get. I set it on top, and I went ahead and pushed the little tape pieces up there, and it seems to be hugging that really well. Quite impressed, because a lot of things will say that it won't work against ceramic, and this is just a ceramic pot that was probably made, and then his grandma probably painted it, is my guess. And you can see where at one time was broken by my niece back in the original house over 30 years ago. And it has broken once since it's been here, in addition to the one with it. This just shattered into pieces. It probably was already broke at one point, but as you can tell, it's a bit sturdier on there. So I'm quite pleased. I don't know if this will be our fix-all on it, but it's on there. I'm trying to wiggle it off, and it's not, I mean, it's secure enough that I feel comfortable leaving it here, that this wobbles, it's not really going anywhere a whole lot. I'm impressed with it so far. I'm going to go ahead and rearrange these a little bit more. I tried while it was off, and it just looks really sad. I need some extra love. But I'm really impressed with this alien tape here, right correctly, with the alien tape there. I will keep giving you an update maybe if something else happens within the next 24 hours, but I'm impressed on what it is now.